zaze zavelelwa ingane zikaMphumelelo. So, guys, I was looking through Umusamselegu's Instagram page and I came upon Usingabakwa's pictures on Musamselegu's page. Usingabakwa is Tirelo and Umelelo Mselegu's son. So Musa put his picture there and he said, Baby Singabako, Tlagani Sumsilegu, this boy has a huge responsibility of uniting the family at his time. Hey, imagine this child is so small. This child is a kid, you guys, was not able. This child was recently introduced to this earth, and already this child has a responsibility of uniting the family, but at his time. I saw another picture where Musa was saying, Singabakwa hlanganisa umsilegu. I have no doubt that our legacy is taking shape. So it seems like the children that Mpumelelo is bearing in Musa Mselegu's side, it is viewed as a legacy that Mpumelelo is actually extending and building this legacy that's already existing. Now, someone else asked, they put up a comment on one of these pictures on Musa Mselegu's page. And this person said, this child already has a responsibility, question mark. Does he know about the responsibility band? Then Musa went to go and comment or reply and said, when Jesus was born, few people understood his assignment. So he's basically kind of saying that ulokuzana lengan usingabakusinga, many people will not understand his assignment. So I guess few people understand his assignments, which is Umusa, his grandfather, and maybe his father. But I'm just like, the pressure that's going to be put onto these kids, or especially him, Usingabako, like it's going to be a lot because it looks like he's going to have to walk in the steps of his father, which is Umpumelelo, and his grandfather, which is Umosamselegu. And I'm thinking to myself, guys, like, why is the same energy not put in towards Snare's kids? And maybe it's because Snare's kids, I need to, they don't belong to the same like surname in a sense. The seed, which is normally the father's side in a black culture normally takes preeminence. It's the one that matters the most in a sense, if I can put it in that way. Forgive me because I don't know what word or correct terminology to use. So I guess that's why Umsilegu doesn't consider Usne's kids as building his legacy, because the seed that made those kids do not belong to the Msilegu family. And with Umpumelelo's ones, because the seed is Msilegu, these ones basically qualify to, build upon the existing legacy. But it's just quite strange, you guys. And yeah, but hey, guys, Zigampumelelo already they have a responsibility. And hey, Angazi, if they really know it or if they're gonna be able to live up to it. But it looks like Umusa already has plans with Umpumelelo's kids, and it looks like, quite frankly, Musa doesn't have a problem with Umpumelelo having kids. Like, it doesn't look like it. Or else, why would Umpumelelo just be having kids with Haibo? Sent, knowing Umpumelelo is like so, he's after like pleasing his father so much and doing exactly what his father does. It seems like his father's patting him on the back for making children. Who knows how many more children is gonna come in the future while before he even marries any of this woman. If you will even marry any of these women, you guys, because at this point, Asaz. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.